Hey, my name is Anna, and today I'll be sharing with you how to prevent your glue nozzle from clogging and how to deal with your nozzle if it is clogged. Firstly, you want to make sure that your glue is always standing up straight. When the bottle is laid on its side, the bonding agent will find its way into the nozzle and cure, causing it to clog. So make sure it is always standing up straight no matter what. Number 2, make sure that the lid is on tight so the bottle stays sealed between surfaces and no air makes its way into the top. Number 3, be sure to properly burp your glue. And if you don't know what burping is, that is where you place your glue dot for the surface and hold your pressure to make sure that no air enters through the nozzle. While maintaining your pressure, make sure you grab a glue wipe and wipe off any excess on the nozzle, and then put your lid back on. You can release your pressure once that lid is screwed on nice and tight. And number 4, don't keep your bottle open for any longer than when you're placing your glue dot, or else the glue in the nozzle will cure. If you do ever experience a clogged nozzle, which we've all been there, here is how to unclog your nozzle if it does become clogged. So you have one of two options. The first option is you can use the glue pin that we have provided in your glue bag to puncture through the clogged glue. This isn't the most ideal because you are forcing a piece of dried glue back into your glue bottle, but it is an option if you are in a pinch. The other option is that you can use the brand new glue nozzle that we have also provided in your glue bag. To remove your old nozzle, you can use a pair of scissors or pliers to carefully remove the nozzle and replace with a new one. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next video.